Ever wondered how to use ChatGPT for penetration testing on Kali Linux? Well, you're in for a treat today. Penetration testing, or pen testing, is an essential part of maintaining strong cybersecurity. It involves simulating cyber attacks on a computer system to identify vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious hackers. Kali Linux, a favorite among cybersecurity professionals, comes loaded with a plethora of tools specifically designed for pen testing. Now imagine having an assistant to guide you through these complex tasks. Enter ChatGPT, an advanced AI model developed by OpenAI. This AI assistant can provide guidance, clarify doubts, and even suggest best practices while you're navigating through the intricacies of pen testing. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, ChatGPT can be a game-changing addition to your cybersecurity toolkit. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how to harness the power of ChatGPT for penetration testing in Kali Linux. Before we begin, ensure you have Kali Linux and the ChatGPT API ready. Setting up Kali Linux is a critical first step in our journey. As the premier platform for cybersecurity enthusiasts, Kali Linux is packed with hundreds of tools for penetration testing and ethical hacking. To install it, simply download the ISO from the official Kali website and create a bootable USB or DVD. If you're a beginner, use a virtual machine like VMware or VirtualBox for a safer sandbox environment. Be careful not to rush this process, as a faulty setup can lead to issues later on. Now, let's move on to ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, this language model can guide us through complex tasks with human-like conversation. To set it up, you will need to access the ChatGPT API, which requires an OpenAI account. Once you've registered, navigate to the OpenAI dashboard, find the API section, and generate your unique API key. Remember to handle this key with utmost care. If it falls into the wrong hands, someone could misuse your API access. Getting both Kali Linux and ChatGPT ready is not just about installation. It's about understanding their role in your cybersecurity journey. Kali Linux is our toolbox, filled with various tools for different tasks, while ChatGPT is our guide, helping us navigate the complex world of penetration testing. Now that we have Kali Linux and the ChatGPT API set up, it's time to make them work together. With the setup complete, the next step involves the actual use of ChatGPT for penetration testing. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence becomes a key player in cybersecurity, guiding users through complex tasks like penetration testing. That's the world we're stepping into now. ChatGPT, an AI model developed by OpenAI, has the capacity to simplify the process of penetration testing on Kali Linux, making it more accessible and efficient. Let's dive into it. Once you've got ChatGPT up and running, you can start by asking it to guide you through the process of penetration testing. As an AI language model, it's been trained on a diverse range of internet text. This means it can answer your queries, provide step-by-step guidance, and even propose solutions to potential problems you may encounter. For instance, you could ask it to walk you through a task as common as scanning a network with Nmap, or something more complex like exploiting vulnerabilities with Metasploit. The AI, acting as your virtual assistant, will provide a detailed rundown of the steps involved. But why use AI for penetration testing? The benefits are numerous. For starters, the AI can work round the clock, providing guidance whenever you need it. It's also incredibly efficient, capable of providing swift responses and cutting down on the time it takes to complete tasks. Furthermore, it reduces the chances of human error, a critical factor in cybersecurity. However, it's not all smooth sailing. When working with AI, especially in cybersecurity, there are potential challenges to be aware of. For one, while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's not infallible. It can sometimes provide incorrect or misleading information, which is why it's crucial to cross-verify the information it provides against reliable sources. In addition, The AI doesn't inherently understand context or intent and can sometimes misinterpret queries or provide less than optimal solutions. To mitigate this, ensure you frame your questions as clearly and specifically as possible. And with that, you've successfully utilized ChatGPT for penetration testing on Kali Linux. Remember, while AI can be a powerful tool, it's important to approach it with a critical eye and a readiness to learn and adapt. So, what have we learned today? We've walked through setting up Kali Linux and integrating it with ChatGPT. We've seen how ChatGPT can be a valuable ally in conducting penetration testing, helping navigate potential pitfalls while maintaining best security practices. There are indeed challenges, but the benefits are significant. With this knowledge, you can now confidently use ChatGPT for penetration testing on Kali Linux. Remember, the world of cybersecurity is ever evolving. Stay informed, stay safe.